guess they're serious about tearing down the sands. This is going to come down too. This parking garage, unless I'm mistaken. I wonder if that's going to come down when this comes down. You know, in the implosion. I wonder if that's all coming down. If you're familiar with the sands, you'll know that there used to be pedestrian walkway, like right there. That's where one of the holes for it. Anyway, they got rid of that about a week ago. Yes, they are serious about demolishing the sands. Can't stress that enough. But I wonder if they're going to tear down, you know, like this wing of the sands, you know, in a conventional manner, like they appear to be doing, or you know, I'm not really sure what they're doing, and are they just going to like leave the tower and demolish that? I'm not sure. And is this going to come down in an implosion too? I mean, I know it's going. This is going, unless I'm mistaken. You know, I liked how they painted these windows on the building, so it wasn't just a big white wall. And there used to be a flagpole up there, and there used to be, well, it still is a flagpole, but it used to have laser lights up there. It used to have a gigantic flag, gigantic. The only problem is it got ripped up. I mean, within a month, it had holes in it. Very windy area. It's very hard on flags. Going to get rid of the people mover. I'm sure that's the people mover, that thing there. It's closed now, but eventually it's going to be. Oh well, that's I guess it for today.